Hi everyone, my name is Michael Gall and I am Head of Customer Success at ScriptRunner. In this video I will guide you to our new features of the latest version, the Portal Edition R5. Let's start with the queries. When we switch to the queries, all different types of queries are available through the portal now. For the beginning, let's start with an ID query. In the first step, we can set the ownership of the query. In the general dialog, we define the name of the query and possible system tags. In the Active Directory tab, we can select the local or the remote domain and define the elements to be shown by the query. For now, let's take the users. In the user state, you can specify whether only the active, locked, deactivated or all users should be selected by the query. Additionally, we can define an attribute filter and modify the search base. In the tab Result Set, you can also modify the return value. In the execution mode, you can modify the query behavior. Should it be executed by a schedule, cached or cascaded? If all the settings were made, you can save the query and test it. The actions are also available in the portal, and with the Create button, a new action can be created. This is quite similar to the queries. After the team ownership, you need to define the action name and the tags. The asterisk at the script already indicates that we need to select a PowerShell script here. If this was selected, the parameters are deposed from the script as a form. At this point, the ScriptRunner portal behaves like the admin app. It is possible to use a query as a parameter and to show or hide the parameters. In the PowerShell tab, you retrieve all your well-known options from the admin app. You can choose between the Windows PowerShell and the PowerShell 7 or specify library scripts. In the lower area, the verbose trigger and the size options are accessible. In addition, you can set how to behave in the event of a non-terminating PowerShell error. In the targets, you can select one or more targets where the script should be executed. In the advanced area, you are also capable of setting execution limits. Within the delegation tab, we can assign the action to a user group and enforce a command. At the display options area, you can modify the look and feel, and on the right side, you get a small preview of what the action looks like for the user in the run menu. Action is saved, you will be automatically redirected to our new introduced overview page. On this side, you see all the elements of this action, including queries and delegation. In the lower area, the webhook and the widget link are shown. This can be easily copied to the clipboard by using the copy button. Of course, new actions can also be created out of the script area. To do so, you need to select the proper script and select Create Action. The action can also be modified from the Run menu directly if you were in the admin role. If the action has already been executed several times, you see the last executions in the right area. With the Portal Edition R5, we also extended the support of OpenID Connect Identity Providers. The most known provider here is probably Okta. Okta can now be integrated directly into ScriptRunner. With the Okta user, including MFA, we can now safely sign into the ScriptRunner portal. Have fun using the Portal Edition R5 and keep on scripting!